Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on a Xiaomi Smart Camera C200. To do this, first we'll need to open Xiaomi Home app or download it from Google Play Store. Right here, create or log into already existing account and click on this plus button right here in the top right corner of the screen. Select Add a Device. Then you'll be able to see a discovery of nearby devices. And here's the camera. If you can't see it, then scroll down and look for the camera right here. I think it should be on the top, but we can check just in case. No, so select the video camera right here. Then scan the QR code underneath the camera. Then we'll need to reset our device by placing a pin in here. So you need to flip the camera all the way up, then take something very thin and stick it in there to reset your device.
Reset complete. Device booting. Please wait.
When you hear a reset is successful, then we can click on device reset. Now we'll need to connect ourselves with the Wi-Fi network, so we can select one of the networks available. Make sure that it's 2.4G and not the 5G network. Then confirm the agreement and click on next.
Enter the configuration interface. Waiting for connection. Connecting. Please wait. Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Pairing to account completed. Device online.
Here we can set the room for our camera. In this case, we're gonna go with the toilet. Then we can rename our camera however we like. I'm gonna leave the default name. And next is display large cards on the home page. And we can activate or deactivate that, it doesn't matter. Invite your family members to use together, so you can invite anyone to give an access for that camera. I'm gonna click on do not share now. Do not prompt. Agree to the privacy policy, and here's our camera connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.